If you followed me for any length of time, you might have noticed that I have changed my channel name. So I thought I'd do a video today to kind of explain my reasons why, and hopefully I won't have killed my YouTube channel. Hi, welcome back to my channel, the Bag Makers Society. My name's Deb and I make videos on all things bag making, as well as running my business, Me Made Makes, here in the UK. So as I sort of explained earlier in the video, I have changed my channel name to the Bag Makers Society. It did used to be my name with Me Made Makes beside it. And I've hummed and hawed for quite a while about changing the name of the channel because I didn't really feel that it kind of fit in with what the channel was about. So obviously I do run a bag making supply business here in the UK, and then the Bag Makers Society kind of came about inadvertently. I set up a Facebook group about 3 years ago, coming up for 3 years ago, and it wasn't really meant as part of the business. It's never really been as part of the business. It was set up as a way to kind of just people be able to share their makes, celebrate all things that are UK. So it is the UK Bag Maker Society Facebook group, because obviously we see all of the wonderful things that you guys, if you're listening in America, get over there, you know, all the fabulous vinyls and what have you, and then we look and we go like, oh, can't get that. So yeah, I kind of wanted a space where people could just kind of share anything that was bag making. It wasn't affiliated to my business, it wasn't affiliated to any business, it wasn't affiliated to any pattern designers. You could share any patterns. You could ask for recommendations. There wasn't days of the weeks that you could only ask for certain things. There's basically very few rules within the group other than, you know, basically be kind and, you know, treat people how you want to be treated. And that's kind of how the community side of what I do has grown. So I started that Facebook group expecting a couple of people to want to join, and it's grown to sort of like over 5,000 people now. And sort of from that, the community side has sort of developed. I now run a bag making club, which is the Bag Makers Society Club, and that's a bit more sort of in-depth sew-alongs and things than what I do here on YouTube. I run socials, and it's just all of that side of it has been the Bag Makers Society. And I just kind of felt that my YouTube channel kind of fit more in with the community side of what I do than the supply side of what I do. So I toyed for ages with changing the name. Obviously, it's really frightening to do anything in case you absolutely kill off what you've established and what you've grown. But then when I relaunched the podcast earlier on, like a few months ago, obviously that is the Bag Maker Society podcast, and I just thought, I think the YouTube channel needs to have the same name. So that was why I did decide then to change it. So basically, kind of how I have things is that anything that is community based or like learning based, anything like that, it kind of comes under the Bag Maker Society, and then anything that's sort of supply based, product based, comes under Me Made Makes. Whether I'll change that in the future, who knows? I don't know, but that is my reason for the name change. A little bit boring, but I did think that I thought I should really explain, because some of you who followed me for a little while might be like, what you change the name of the channel for? And that's the reason why. So yeah, that's really the boring reason why the channel name is now the Bag Makers Society, and basically not my name, but it's still me. It's still just me behind it. I have had loads of messages from people asking how I'm feeling, because I have been really poorly, hence why videos have been very, very thin on the ground. I have been keeping up with the podcast. There have been a few days where I've been doing the podcast where I've thought I'm not going to make it through, but it's one of those things when I start chatting to people about bags and about fabric and about sewing, it rallies me and I've been fine. But I've literally, that's, I just haven't had the energy for making videos, editing them, putting them out. Quite a lot of the time I've lost my voice. I've still a little bit croaky and what have you, but I'm starting to come out the other side. So I did have a secondary chest infection, which took a little while to clear, but I'm on the road to recovery now. So I'm just going to still take it easy, because my doctor has told me that I probably do have like long COVID. So my plan is just to listen to my body and take it easy and rest when I need to rest, and do things when I've got the energy to do things. And today I had the energy to make this video, so here we are. So if you've watched my little ramblings as to why I've changed my channel name, thank you very much. If you've sent me messages asking me how I'm feeling or wishing me well, again, thank you very much. It's really, I've had some really lovely emails, like so nice. So thank you so much. It's like, it's what I harp on about all the time: community, community, community. And it's proved it, because I have had some absolutely lovely messages and I've been so grateful. So thank you very, very much. Short and sweet one. And until next time, I shall be back with another video on the Bag Makers Society channel. If I'm not back before then, there will be an episode on Tuesday at 8 o'clock on the podcast. So please do give the video a like, because the YouTube algorithm will love you for it, and even more importantly, so will I. So until next time, see you soon. Bye.